Maximizing your 401k for early retirement takes more than just contributing a percentage of your paycheck. It's about having a clear strategy to make every dollar work harder for you, especially if you plan to retire before the traditional age. The earlier you start optimizing your 401k, the better prepared you'll be for financial independence. With the right approach, your 401k can become a powerful tool to help you retire on your terms. One of the most important steps is to take full advantage of your employer's match. Many companies offer to match a percentage of your contributions, essentially giving you free money. Failing to contribute enough to get the full match is like leaving part of your paycheck on the table. If you're serious about early retirement, this match can act as a springboard for your savings. The more you contribute early on, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Equally important is maxing out your contributions whenever possible. For 2024, the annual limit for 401k contributions is $22,500 if you're under 50, with an additional $7,500 allowed as a catch-up contribution for those over 50. Maxing out your contributions may require some lifestyle adjustments, but it's one of the most effective ways to build a substantial retirement fund. If early retirement is your goal, you'll need to prioritize saving aggressively, even if it means cutting back on non-essential expenses. Choosing the right investment options within your 401k is another key factor. Most plans offer a mix of stock funds, bond funds, and other investments. For early retirees, a more growth-oriented portfolio is often ideal since you have a longer time horizon for your money to grow. Look for low-cost index funds or ETFs, which tend to offer broad market exposure and lower fees. Paying attention to expense ratios is critical. Even a small percentage in fees can add up to thousands of dollars over the years, eroding your savings. Diversification is another essential strategy for maximizing your 401k. While it might be tempting to put all your money into high-performing funds, spreading your investments across different asset classes can reduce risk. A mix of domestic and international stocks, bonds, and perhaps some real estate exposure can provide a balance of growth and stability. Diversification helps protect your portfolio from market volatility, which is especially important if you plan to tap into your savings earlier than most. You should also consider taking advantage of Roth 401k options if your plan offers them. Unlike traditional 401k contributions, which are made pre-tax, Roth contributions are made with after-tax dollars. The benefit is that your withdrawals, including earnings, will be tax-free in retirement. For those aiming for early retirement, the Roth option provides flexibility by giving you access to a tax-free income stream when you need it most. This can be particularly valuable if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket later in life. Regularly reviewing and rebalancing your 401k is another critical step. As markets fluctuate, the allocation of your investments can drift from your original plan. Rebalancing ensures your portfolio stays aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Many 401k plans offer automatic rebalancing, which can simplify this process. Staying proactive about your investments will help you avoid unnecessary risks and keep your savings on track. Understanding withdrawal rules is crucial for early retirees. Most people can't access their 401k funds without penalties until age 59 and a half. However, there are exceptions, like the Rule of 55, which allows you to withdraw penalty-free if you leave your job after age 55. Another option is setting up a series of substantially equal periodic payments, SEPs, through IRS Rule 72T. While these strategies can provide early access to your funds, they come with strict rules and potential drawbacks. Knowing your options and planning withdrawals carefully can help you avoid penalties and ensure your savings last. Tax planning is another area where you can optimize your 401k for early retirement. Contributions to a traditional 401k reduce your taxable income now, but withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income. This makes it essential to plan your withdrawals strategically to minimize your tax burden. Combining taxable, tax-deferred, and tax-free accounts can help you control your taxable income in retirement. Working with a tax advisor can ensure you're taking full advantage of tax-saving opportunities. One often overlooked strategy is rolling over old 401k accounts into an IRA. If you've changed jobs several times, you might have multiple 401k accounts scattered across different providers. Consolidating them into a single IRA can simplify management and often provide more investment options. IRAs also offer more flexibility in terms of withdrawal rules and estate planning, which can be advantageous for early retirees. Another tip is to consider using your 401k as part of a broader financial plan. While it's a powerful tool, it shouldn't be your only savings vehicle. Building a diversified portfolio outside of your 401k, such as in taxable investment accounts or a health savings account (HSA), provides additional flexibility. These accounts can bridge the gap between your retirement date and the age when you can access your 401k without penalties. Having multiple streams of income reduces the pressure on your 401k and makes early retirement more sustainable. Key takeaways from this discussion include the importance of maximizing contributions, leveraging employer matches, and choosing cost-effective investment options. Diversification and rebalancing are essential to managing risk, while tax planning ensures you keep more of your money. Understanding withdrawal rules and exploring additional savings vehicles can provide the flexibility needed for a smooth transition to early retirement. By taking a strategic approach to your 401k, you can set yourself up for financial independence and the freedom to enjoy your early retirement years without stress.